This week I will show you how to change from S-twist interlinking to Z-twist interlinking in Sprang. This is the opposite of last week where I showed you how to change from Z-twist to S-twist. Although for the purposes of making a sprung band that is half S and half Z-twist, it does not matter which twist you perform first. This video is more about showing you the maneuvers needed to make that change. Once you've practiced this maneuver, you will be able to combine it with Z to S maneuvers to create patterns on your sprung work. If you have not already watched the videos on how to perform S-twist interlinking and how to change from Z to S-twist, I recommend that you go back and watch those first. On the first row, work S-twist interlinking until you get to the middle. Then perform a special maneuver of the next two back threads by working a Z-twist interlinking with them. Do this by passing the second back thread behind the first and picking it up into your left hand with the other front threads. Now finish the row with Z-twist interlinkings. When you have finished the row, you will see that there are two back threads that come to the front, side by side, with no front thread between them. These are the dividing threads when working an S to Z twist change. On the next row, work S twists until you've worked the first of the two dividing threads. Next, work the special maneuver with the back threads, with the two next back threads, but this time work an S-twist interlinking. Do this by passing the second back thread in front of the first and dropping it to the back with the other back threads. Keep the first back thread in your left hand with the other front threads. Now finish the row with Z-twist interlinkings. Continue this pattern of working the special maneuver first with an Z-twist interlinking and then with an S-twist interlinking. And let's go through it one more time. On the shift row, we're working a S-twist interlinkings until we reach the first of the dividing threads, and then work a special maneuver with the next two back threads in the Z-twist manner, and then continue with Z-twists to the end of the row. On the next row, a basic row, work S-twist interlinkings until you have reached the first of the dividing threads, and then work the special maneuver with the next two back threads, this time an S-twist interlinking. And then continue with Z-twist interlinkings to the end of your row. You now know how to perform the 4 maneuvers that will help you switch your sprung work from Z to S, twist, and back again. In future videos, I will show you how to use these maneuvers to create patterns in your work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next year.